So we've gone ahead and we've drilled the thumb hole. Now I need to bring the jig back and swivel it so I can actually drill the finger holes. So I'm going to bring it back to 0. Everything's zeroed out. And as I said before, his middle finger span is 4 1/16. So again, I need to go 2 1/32. This time I also need to incorporate half the distance of his middle finger. His middle finger is 53/64, so I need to keep going half of that distance. This brings me to the exact middle of the hole. Now I need to start incorporating pitches. For John, his middle finger pitch is 1 1/8 reverse. So I need to go 1 1/8 out. And now I need to set the pitch gauge accordingly, which is going to be 1 1/8, which will be 1.125. There we go. Now I need to get his side pitches ready. I'm going to put the drill bit in because it always makes it a little bit easier for me to visualize where the hole's going to go. For John, we measured him at 5/16 side pitch, which I also almost got it to. It's 0.315. As you can see on the ball, if I drill right there, I'm going to go right through the bridge of his ball. So I need to take this and swivel it to the side so that I'm going to make a big enough bridge. And what I usually do is I'll take a blade and make sure that I'm making a big enough bridge. And that's absolutely going to be big enough. Lock it into place, lock this one into place, and we're good to go. Make sure it's centered, we're good. Now what I'm going to do with this hole that I usually don't do with most standard bowling balls is I'm going to drill this a lot deeper for John because I want him to have a lot of side weight. So the way to do that is to take this hole and drill it deeper than this hole. So his ring finger is going to be a lot more shallow than his middle finger. So this is going to be relatively deeper than maybe some of you are used to having a finger hole drilled. Put that bit back. Now we take out the 31 32 bit so we can drill his ring finger. He's got 9/16 side pitch on his ring finger. So we need to go to 0.564 right on it. And his forward pitch is going to be 1 5/16. So I need to go to 1.315, way back. 1.315. Okay, I think we're close. We're getting there. All right. Now, I'm going to go back to my original 2 1/32 that I had earlier. And what I'm going to do is now I'm going to incorporate half the distance of his ring finger size. His ring finger is 25/32, so I'm going to go up half of that. Now, I also need to incorporate the fact that the span's a little bit different. I'm going to show you that in my next video.